Greetings, fellow detectives. Wizard Kitten here, bringing you the 4th episode in our walkthrough for Nancy Drew, the creature of Kapu Cave. And we might as well just call this episode the Frass episode, because that is what we are going to be doing the entire time. At least I'm pretty sure. Okay, so the whole idea now is that we need to redo Quigley's frass experiment, which means that we need to go around to all of these traps and collect frass. So we take these little baggies, and take the frass, and then take the baggie. And it's important to look at the surroundings of the frass. So for example, this one is tall, it's got kind of like these thin green leaves kind of in bunches. So knowing the trees that are around the frass is going to be important because there's a code you need to put in, a vegetation code. Okay, so there's the purple one, that's closest to Quigley, that purple frass trap. Here's a yellow one. Okay, here we go. So I'll get a bag and fill it with frass. And we've got these kind of serrated leaves. It's low to the ground. We've got these little white flowers on it. So that might be a valuable description to write down for when we're trying to identify the vegetation. Here's a blue frass trap. Oh, okay. Bananas. That one's pretty straightforward. Or plantains, or whatever they actually are. But I'm going with bananas, because they look like bananas, and I never really know what the difference is between bananas and plantains anyway. Through the jungle we go. Okay, here's a red frass trap. Kind of a tongue twister. Red frass trap. Red frass trap. Red frass trap. Okay, so we've got these low-lying shrub kind of things, green leaves, but they have kind of this purpley underside, the red underside, so that would be an identifying mark, I would think. Okay, and now we are back to the Jeep, or the rig, or whatever. And we've only gotten 4 of the frass traps, so
note and identify proximate vegetation, record code in analysis grid on clipboard. I'm going to have to identify the plants the traps are hanging next to? Yikes.
Yes, you are, which is why I was just talking about the leaves. We need to figure out the seeds, the insect parts, and the frass. La-di-da-di-da. We repeat this. Let's see. Analyze samples. Oh, that's what we do when we're all done. Oh yeah, here we go. 2 traps, green and orange, are at Kapu Cave. And then we have our coordinates here. 19 degrees, 20, 30. West, 155 degrees, 5 minutes, 33. No, 5 hours, 33 minutes? I don't know. We just put the numbers in the GPS and we're good to go. That's basically my philosophy in life, too. Just put the directions into the GPS and you're good to go. So now we need to go to Kapu Cave. So let's put in our new coordinates that we found on the clipboard. So 19, 20... 30 and 155 05 33. Aha! New waypoint. Just like in Danger on Deception Island when we also had to use a GPS. Alright, let's go to Kapu Cave. Gonna find some more frass. Ooh! Hello, volcano and lava. Okay, so we'll get some frass from here. As you can see, there is no vegetation here because we are on a volcano. Kind of difficult for things to grow on a volcano, I would assume. So there's the green one. Here's the orange one. So we'll fill that up. We might as well explore Kapu Cave a little bit while we're here. What on earth?
Look at all those webs. I wonder what made them, and why are there so many?
It better not be spiders. Spiders are the worst. Weird. Ah, some kind of, like, cave statue.
Wonder what the deal is with this guy, and what's with all the animals on his teeth?
Good question, Nancy. And we can't do anything with them right now, so I guess we'll continue to wonder.
Something goes here, but what?
Something goes in his nose. Alright, well, that's all the exploring we can do at the cave right now, so let's head back to our rig and go start analyzing frass. Woot woot. Back to Camp Quigley. Okay. So now we take our little baggies of frass into the tent here. And we need...
Oh no, the microscope lens is broken. How am I going to do all that frass sorting stuff without a microscope? Where could I find a spare lens around here?
You know who might have a spare lens for looking at plants and stuff? Probably Malachi Craven, who's given us everything else so far. So, let's go try it. We didn't find any when we were snooping around the tent before, so my thought is that he will have it at his fancy research facility that isn't destroyed. See if they'll let me in again.
State your business. Oh, it's you.
Hi.
What is it now?
I need a microscope lens to complete this job Dr. Kim gave me. Only hers is broken. Do you have one I could use?
Of course, but I'm not running a charity here. If you want it, you'll have to earn it. The plants down below need to be fertilized. Think you could handle that?
You bet.
Good. Here's the key to the enclosure housing the plants I want fertilized. Don't even think about leaving before you're finished. They need to be fed now. If you make an error, it will be immediately apparent, and needless to say, I will be extremely upset.
Got it.
So don't mess up. Good luck. Even though you've never done this before, you are not allowed to fail. Okay, so the plants we need to fertilize are over here. I mean, we could go in here and look at these plants. And they do some weird things. I mean, like this one goes and looks at the light. Ooh, follow the light. So pretty. These ones do... scream like a mandrake. That actually sounds a lot like the scream that we will hear in an upcoming Nancy Drew mystery, The Haunting of Castle Malloy, which is mystery number 19. But that's a cookie. Or mandrake. Glows. Phosphorescent, I think, would be the proper term for that. So, anyway, that's what's in there, but the plants we need to work with are here. We need the key that he gave us. Put it in there. Voila. Okay, so the key for this puzzle is to pull these little color levers and see which ones help the plants and which ones don't. And you can only do one at a time. I like to start kind of at the beginning and go down the line to see what happens. Okay, so green grows this one and wilts this one. Light blue grows a majority of them except the one that the green grows. So that's good to know. I mean, we could always do blue again, make them stronger, and then do green to help the one that didn't grow. Okay, but now this one is down, so we need to figure out one that'll help that. So what about blue? What's blue? Dark blue do? Does that help that one grow?
That should do it.
Oh! Well, look at that. That was easy. Masterful work, Nancy. That was, what, green, light blue, green, dark blue. Easy as pie. Okay, you did it.
What is it now?
I fertilized those plants.
Good job. The microscope lens is yours. Anything else?
I have thoroughly enjoyed talking to you.
Yes, well, the bugs await. Go.
Rude, after we were so polite. I mean, we didn't even really talk to you. You just kind of gave us a job to do, but... Oh!
Yes? He did what? No, 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 no! Those seedlings were irreplaceable! How could anyone be that stupid? Oh! Tell me his name. Well, you tell Mr. Fighterman that he is fired. If he isn't off the premises in 2 minutes, I will come out there and throw him over the fence myself.
Yikes.
He sounds very angry, but also that arg of his sounds very familiar. Very interesting. Okay, back to Camp Quigley. Now that we can actually look at the frass. Let's see how quickly we are able to sort it. Okay. Put in the new microscope lens, and here
Looks
we
like
go.
this has a built-in scale.
Super handy. Okay, so the clipboard tells us we need the vegetation code, which we can get by looking up the plants later. Frass weight, which is the weight of all of it. Number of seeds, and the detritus predominance, which is which one of these three groups is most common, seeds, insect parts, or frass. So you kind of need to separate them out, which is generally my strategy. So let's just start off with this first bag, the orange one. Okay, so it weighs 250. And let's see. It's 250 total, but that's not just the frass. The frass, she gives us pictures too. The frass is usually kind of like bumpy or round, oval shaped. Insect parts look like insect parts, like came from a bug, and the seeds are generally smooth and round. The frass is generally going to be more bumpy. So let's see. So that's an insect part. That's a seed. That's a seed. And I like to put the seeds on one end and the insect parts on the other end, and then leave the frass on the scale. So that's an insect part. Oops. You gotta be, it's a little picky about where you put them down. Okay, and that's all frass. So the frass weighs 70. We have 5 seeds, and it goes seeds most common, then frass, then insect. So 70, 5, seeds, frass, insects. 70, 5, and seeds, frass, insects, which would be seeds, frass, insects. 405 is our predominance. Oops, and that's red. We want orange. 75 and 405. These we must delete. And delete. Okay, there we go. So that's the orange one done. We can put the orange one away now. Okay, let's do the green one. Put it on the scale. Same thing. I'll put the insect parts up here. And the seeds down here. That's frass. The wing. That looks like a seed. That looks like a seed. That looks like an insect part. Okay, so the frass weighs 44. There's 3 seeds, and it goes insect, frass, seeds. Insect, frass, seeds, 44, 3. Okay. 44, 3. Insect, frass, seeds. Insect, frass, whoops, no. Insect, frass, seeds. 505 is our predominance. 505. Okay. Making good progress. We gotta get this grid totally filled in. So now let's do red. Oh, see, and the ones that are by plants have a lot more going on. Okay, so all of these smooth round things are seeds. The insect parts go up here. Oh, it's all frass. That's a seed. That looks like a leg. That's insect. This one's got a lot of frass. What a fun word. Frass. Seeds. Seeds. That's frass. Insect. Wings. There's a lot of stuff in this one, including some huge insect heads and body parts. Okay, and then that's a seed. Okay, so that should be all of that. So that way it weighs 99, and we've got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 seeds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bug parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 frass. So it goes seeds, frass, bugs, 12 seeds, and it weighs 99. Seeds, frass, bugs, 12 seeds, 99. 99, 12 seeds, and it was seeds, frass, bugs. Seeds, frass, bugs is 405. Okay. 405. 3 down. 3 to go. Let's do the blue one next. And this is why this episode is called the frass episode. Oops. Okay, insect part. Insect part. Lots of big ol' insect parts. Which is gross. Comment below if you actually like bugs. I am not a fan. Most of them I'm like used to. It's like, okay, you're a bug. I mean, you need to be here, but they're still a pain. Mosquitoes, spiders especially. Yuck. More insect parts. That's a wing. Those are all seeds. Okay, what do we got here? So it weighs 108. We have 5, 6, 7, 8 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 insect parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frass. So it goes insect, frass, seeds, 8, 108. Insect, frass, seeds, 8, 108. Okay, and this is blue. 108. 8 seeds, and it goes insect, frass, seeds. Which would be 505. Lots of 405s and 505s right now. Okay, so now we just need to do purple and yellow. Almost there. Purple. That is a bug head. That is a bug body. That is a seed. That is frass. That is a seed. Because it's smooth and round, not bumpy like the frass parts. And that's an insect head. If it's got an irregular shape, then it's probably an insect part of some sort. Frass is all on top of each other here. Seeds. Seeds. Insect. Insect. That's a seed. I almost missed it. Okay, that looks all right. So what do we got? We've got 9 seeds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 frass. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so frass insect seeds. Frass insect seeds. 119, 9. 119, 9 frass insect seeds. 119, 9, and frass insect seeds. This might be a new predominance. Yeah, 105. 105. Alright, down to the last one. Just have to do the yellow one now. We've got our system and it's working. Oops. Unless you don't click in the exact right spot. Let's put all these seeds down. That's a seed so far. That's frass. That's an insect leg of some sort, looks like. Oh, that's a seed. That is an insect head. Oh, that's frass. Those are. Oh wait. Oh no. Are those? That's frass. That's frass. Right. I sure hope I didn't count wrong somewhere. That would be awful. I'll have to double check on the diagram if that's frass. Especially since there's 3 of them. Good grief. Okay, all the insect heads. That all looks like frass. Because I feel like it's bumpy. That wouldn't be an insect part, would it? Okay, what do we got? We got 9 seeds. 249 is what it weighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pieces of frass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, no, they have to be insect parts because we wouldn't have the same number. 9. Because we couldn't have 9 and 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 9. So that would be frass insect seeds, 9, 150. Frass insect seeds, 9, 150. 150, 9, and frass insect seeds, I believe, was 105. Oops. Yep, it was 105. Okay, now I'm worried. Yeah, because that's definitely an insect part. Now I'm worried that I didn't count it somewhere else as an insect part. Huh. Okay, I'm going to double check that off camera just to make sure I counted everything. But that pink spirally one is definitely a insect part. And I think I'm going to leave this video right here. We will check our results in the next video. Thanks for watching, fellow detectives. I will see you soon.